How to make French toast. French toast is a popular breakfast dish that's easy to make. Here's how. What you need: 1 egg, half a cup of milk, 2 slices of bread, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, some butter, and your favorite syrup. Step 1. To a shallow dish, add the egg, milk, and cinnamon, and then mix well. Whoops, I almost forgot the cinnamon. Step 2. Preheat a pan on medium heat and add some butter to the pan. Step 3. Drench each piece of bread into the egg and milk mixture on both sides and put it in the pan. Step 4. Flip the toast once it's golden brown. Step 5. Plate the toast once it's done. Step 6. Add some butter on the French toast along with your favorite syrup and enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more tasty recipes. Bye for now.